Tenses for Kids, Fun and Easy English Lesson. Today we will learn fun and very easy tenses for kids.
I will show examples, games, and actions to make tenses easy.
We start with the present tense. Use it to talk about things that happen now or always.
For example, I jump, you play, she sings. These are present simple sentences for habits.
Use the present continuous to talk about actions happening right now. I am jumping. She is drawing.
Kids can act out these sentences.
Now let us look at the past tense. Use it to tell about things that already happened.
I played, she watched, we danced. These sentences tell a story from yesterday.
To talk about the future, use will or going to. I will play. I am going to play after school.
Use simple words and toys. Say the tense with a toy action. The doll sleeps, or the doll slept.
Practice with a pet or a stuffed animal. Describe what it does. That makes tenses real.
Sing small songs. Songs make tense forms easy to remember because they repeat the words.
Make funny sentences with familiar things. My cat eats cake. My cat ate cake.
Draw 3 boxes for time. Now, before, later. Place pictures in the boxes and tell the sentence.
My cat will eat cake. For now, show a picture and say the present form. The boy runs. For before, say the past. The boy ran.
For later, say the future. The boy will run.
Teach kids to listen for words like yesterday, today, and tomorrow. These words point to the right tense.
Use simple timelines with arrows. A dot before now shows past. A dot at now shows present. An arrow after now shows future.
Practice one tense at a time. Make 5 short sentences and act them out. Keep the words clear and short.
Play a quick game. Show a picture and say a sentence in a tense. The other person guesses which tense you used.
Use repetition, but make it fun. Repeat sentences with different toys and voices to keep attention.
Use easy verbs first. Play, eat, sleep, go, run, sing, draw. These verbs are common and simple to change.
Show small charts with only 3 columns: present, past, future. Put one sentence in each column for practice.
When a verb changes only a little, point it out. Eat becomes ate, play becomes played. Little changes are easy to learn.
Make a chant for the present continuous. I am eating, you are eating, we are eating. Say it and clap along.
Make flashcards with a picture on one side and a sentence on the other. Flip the card and read the sentence aloud.
Use puppets for dialogue. Give each puppet a tense to practice. Puppets make practice playful and safe.
Ask simple questions and answer them. Did you play? Yes, I played. Are you drawing? Yes, I am drawing.
Show past story time. Tell a short tale in past tense and have children act scenes from the story.
Show future planning time. Ask what they will do tomorrow and let them answer with will or going to.
Make a memory box with objects for now, then, later. Pull an object and make a sentence in the right tense.
Keep sentences short and bright.
Praise every attempt. Happy words help kids try again and improve fast.
Repeat routines every day. A small daily routine for tenses makes them stick like a song.
Use video and songs that show actions. Pause the video and ask which tense fits each scene.
Write simple stories together. Each sentence can be in the chosen tense so kids see patterns in writing.
Use colors for time boxes. One color for present, one for past, one for future. Color helps memory.
Teach small sets of irregular verbs slowly. Learn 3 or 4 verbs each week and use them often.
Play matching games. Match the picture with the correct tense sentence to win a point.
Use real life. Talk about breakfast now, yesterday, and tomorrow. Real plans make practice meaningful.
Make a wall chart with daily actions in different tenses so kids can look and learn every day.
Keep practice short and joyful. 10 minutes a day is better than 1 long hour once a week.
In this video, we learned simple, playful ways to teach tenses to kids using pictures, actions, songs, and short stories.
We learned how to use present, past, and future with easy verbs, games, timelines, and daily routines to make learning fun and lasting.